This First Choice Realtors property video is presented by Mary Fran Cowallo. This one is waiting for you. Beautiful 3-bedroom home built in 2017. This beautiful custom-built home sits on approximately 3.5 acres with much privacy. The open floor plan is perfect for sitting around the fireplace, entertaining, which all flows into the kitchen. The kitchen is equipped with high-end appliances, quartz countertops, plenty of cabinetry, and a large island for additional seating. The dining room is also a part of the open concept, which has a walkout beautiful deck to enjoy your morning coffee or just to relax to enjoy the beauty of the wooded and breathtaking view. The master bedroom features its own walk-in closet and full bathroom with walk-in shower. First floor laundry. For more information, review the details below.